Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ratu Bunga Nurmana, Class 19 1C13 Information System Study Program. In the first part, I will give my opinion on our new president, namely President Prabowo Subianto. President Prabowo Subianto, who was inaugurated on October 20, 2004, proud now half to the Indonesian people. With his strong background in the military and political fields, President Prabowo is considered an experienced leader who is able to face the complex challenges facing the country. Even in his first speech, he emphasized his commitment to prioritizing the interests of the people and promised to carry out leadership sincerely and fairly. President Prabowo also has a big vision for Indonesia, namely making this country a developed nation by 2045. To coincide with centenary of independence, he is committed to building strong foundation in various strategic sectors including economy, conservation, and social, and is expected to encourage economy growth and strengthen national sovereignty. However, President Prabowo leadership also provided significant resistance. It must address issues such as economic inequality, political polarization, and the impact of climate change. Many parties hope that President Prabowo can implement bold but real policies to overcome these problems. Many people hope that under Prabowo leadership, Indonesia will experience a positive transformation that can be seen not only from statistical figures, but also from a real increase in people's behavior. This hope reflects the desire to see significant change in the daily lives of Indonesian people. People hopefully President Prabowo Subianto can become a leader who leads Indonesia towards a brighter and more independent future with a commitment to people's welfare as the main priority. Are you confused about English tense? It looks really easy, yes, but how come when the tense question comes up during the exam, you automatically get confused with remembering the formula? Okay, tense is a change in the form of a verb that is used to indicate the times an event or situation occurs. So, this time we will start from the most basic first, namely simple present tense. Check out the explanation of the definition, formula, and example sentence. Happy learning and watching! What is meant by simple present tense? Simple present tense is a form of tense that is used to express events that occur regularly, routinely, or are usually carried out in the present. What does present mean? Present in simple present tense means now. Then simple means simple, and tense is the form of the verb according to the time period used. When is present tense used? When someone wants to express an event or general fact that is happening at the moment. The simple present tense is also used in conditional sentence type 0 and conditional sentence type 1. Sentence patterns followed by the simple future tense. Every English sentence definitely has characteristics, as do simple present tense sentence. The characteristic of the simple present tense tense are as follows. First, the predicate in a simple present tense sentence is in the form of a bare infinitive. The meaning of this form is that the third person verb in this sentence and in the letter S or is. If in the form of a verbal sentence there is a question sentence, then the word do or does must be added. Then a subject must be added. Meanwhile, non-verbal sentence begin with to be, or are, or is. And in simple present tense sentence with negative form, you need to add the words do not, don't, or does not. If there is a verb this end in the letter S or us or is, it must be omitted. Writing simple present tense in sentence form has several functions, including express emotion or feelings, command or instruction, the scheduled or event, general truth, and repeated action. Simple present tense formula. Simple present tense is divided into verbal simple present and nominal simple present. The verbal simple present tense uses a verb that shows an action or action, while the nominal simple present uses the verb be or what is usually called to be. Verbal simple present tense, the ending s or s on verbs in only used on the subject he, she, and it. There are rules for adding the ending s or us. The way to find out which words use the ending s and s is: verbs ending in the letter y and the letter before y is a vowel. Example: size become size, buy become buys, pry become price, study become studies, and carry become carries. An example of sentence: Sonia says everything is going to be alright. Dad buys new console game. Mom carries the baby with stroller. Then determine when to use do and when to use does is. Do is used in the subject I, you, they, we. Does is used in the subject he, she, it. In this example, verbal sentence formula in simple present tense: a subject I, you, they, we, plural subject, and predicate and complement. Next, another simple present sentence is the simple present nominal, which uses to be. Sentences that use to be are generally verbs that do not show an action. The formula is to be I'm as used for subject I. To be is used for the subject he, she, it. To be is used for the subject I, you, they, we. And example of sentence: my mother is a teacher. Are you Nurse Hadi? Is she a student? And next is example nominal sentence formula in simple present tense. Next, in this example 2, adding the final letter in simple present tense, verbs for third person pronouns he, she, it. Next, simple present tense pattern. Tenses are part of basic grammar. When studying tense, we will come across the term first person singular or plural, second person singular or plural, and third person singular or plural. First person singular. First person is the first person's point of view, in this case referring to the speaker or writer. In first person singular, the pronoun used is I. If yourself is the subject, using me or my or mine. If oneself is the object, and so ownership. The situation that usually occurs when using the first person singular is when you want to introduce yourself or want to explain yourself. Example if it becomes subject, my name is Hana, I live in East Jakarta, and example become object, Anja send me a letter. Next, first person plural. The pronouns used for first person plural are we if it is the subject, us if it is the object, and our or ours if it shows ownership. However, us and our or ours both mean we and us, so to know which one to use, you have to know the context of the sentence first. And example become subject, we are from Bandung City. We need to go right now. And example become object, he tells us about our story. Next, third person singular. The pronoun used in third person singular is he or she or it. The situation that occurs is when we talk about someone who is not present between us. And example becomes subject, she is a banker. Annie speak English fluently. And example become object, don't scream in front of her face. And Robbie loves her. Next, the person plural. The pronoun used in third person plural is they or them or their. The situation that occurs is when talking about more than one person, two or more, who is not present among us. And example becomes subject, they are from the same class, and they are famous family in this city. And example become object, I like them, and some of them are from Bekasi. Next, second person. Second person is the point of view of a second person, or someone we are talking to at the time. The pronoun used in second person singular is you, if as a subject, your or yours, if to show ownership. Just like we or ours, you or your or yours, also means you singular or you plural. The way to find out is to understand the context of what is being discussed. An example becomes subject, you are the best student in this class. And next, simple present question or interrogative. Yes or no question. Do I work? Yes, I do. Does he work? Yes, he does. And we have question, what do I play? Who do you play? When does he play? Where does he play? Why do we play? And how do they play? And next, uses of simple present tense recurring events. Example, I eat 3 times a day. Our class starts at 9 o'clock, and I am a doctor. And next, general truth. Example, the sun rises from the east. Rabbit eats vegetables and experience emotion, dogs or procession. An example, good news. Cat has 4 legs. She is so beautiful. Next, give orders or instruction. Example, pour sugar to the glass of water and stir it until they mix it. And charge battery approximately 8 hours until the battery icon is fully charged. And next, future condition. Example, the birthday party starts from 7 o'clock and I arrive at home at 6 o'clock. Next, what are examples of simple present tense? Positive sentence. An example, she wants to be a doctor cause it cries. They speak English at the office. He likes bananas. They play basketball every morning. And then negative sentence. Example, they don't have any money. Lara does not see better in the class. My best friend does not love you. You don't listen to me. And California is not in United Kingdom. And then interrogative sentence. An example, do they talk a lot? Does he play tennis? Does your father drink coffee? Where does he lunch? Does he ride the motorcycle? And next, time words or adverb of time in simple present tense. Example, usually, always, seldom, often, sometimes, never, hurriedly, every week, every day, every month, 4 times a day, 4 times a week, and once a month. And next, finally, example of simple present tense question. Question 1, I'm not Heredita. And any question, am is to be which is paired with the subject I. So the correct answer to complete the sentence is A. The sentence becomes I am not hereditary. And next, question 2. The boy, very polite. And in the question, am is are. So the boy is a single subject. The pronoun equivalent to the boy is he. So the to be that follow is. So the answer is B. The boy is very polite. Next, question 3. Day for 3 hours every night. And answer study, does not study, studies, and is studying. They is the subject and the verb is not followed by s or us. So the correct answer is A. Answer study. That's it for my part 1 and part 2 videos. More or less sorry. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.